Let's prepare the soil for growing sunflowers. Let's wash the plow tractor. That's all. First, let's assemble a seeding machine. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the seeding machine. You're doing really great. Let's plant the sunflower seeds. Now let's wash the seeding machine. Don't stop. We need to assemble a self-propelled sprayer. Keep it up. Let's fuel the self-propelled sprayer. That's all. Let's fertilize the soil for quick growth of sunflowers. And now let's wash the self-propelled sprayer. Don't stop.